Hey guys, at BB Matson here. Little different video. I don't want to work on bikes today. I want to ride bikes. So I haven't done it yet. I haven't really shown off the first bike that I did, 1970 CB350. I love the way this bike turned out. We went through everything. This thing went down to the frame. It was pretty intense. I'll show some before and afters here after we do a quick little walk around. But this thing was in pretty rough shape when I found it. It didn't look anything like this. And here's what it looked like the first time I saw it on Facebook Marketplace. And right now, she's looking pretty damn special. I actually just got back from about a 30-mile run on it, and we had a good time. Absolutely love the way I matched that candy gold. That's actually the original side cover, and I was able to match all of that. Stripped down all these parts, repainted them. Believe it or not, this is all rattle can. Went through the wheels, respoked them, polished them. Ooh, my aluminum's looking a little rough. That stuff usually shining a little bit better. I did take her down some gravel roads. Um, Pretty much stock. I would say 90% of it's probably stock. Headlights, not. I upgraded from common motor there. But again, just take a nice close look at it, kind of enjoy it, right? She's a beaut. Got this seat. I kind of went brown with it, and it's got a little bit lower profile seat on it. New shocks, new chain, polished the hell out of those side covers. And I'm so happy with how it all turned out. It cleaned up really, 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 really nice. You can see this rear fender is just shining right now. Absolutely love that. Let's pop the seat, and I'll show you kind of the inside. Brand new battery, of course. Put a brand new wiring harness in this bike as well. So all fresh wiring moving through here. Had to get creative with some of it, but it all worked out really, really, really well. Biggest problems that I had with it? Gosh, I guess just learning how to tune carburetors for the first time. Trying to get that stuff all squared away. That was really challenging. And the wiring for a first time at it, it was it was interesting. Carbs cleaned up really, really nice. It just came out so beautiful. I just love the way that candy gold came out on it. She's a beaut. She's a beaut. There's always something to work on. This morning I tightened the chain before I went for a ride. And she's a little loose, but I'm telling you what, this bike gives me a ton of inspiration for the 72 CL that we're working on the channel because, really we want to get it looking like this. And we can bring it back to life. I mean, take a look at some of these pictures. I'll throw them up here and kind of talk you through how far this bike has come. It took about 6 months. It was no easy slog, but it was my winter project this last year. And I'm so proud of how this bike came out. So let's take a look at some of the photos from before. So here's the first picture I ever took of the CB350. You can see we went all the way, sandblasted, we primed, we got the right paint, nice silver base coat to get that silver. That candy gold needs that silver base coat, and then we started laying on the color. And this is just one of the parts, but you can see how beautiful they came out. They were crusty when I got them. Went through all the parts just like we are now on the CL. Sandblasted, painted everything. It really took over the home office for a while, stripping it down. I mean, we went all the way on this thing. I even had to haul it in. It was winter, and I had to bring it in for a shower. That was fun. There you go. The frame, stripped that down, hung it, painted it. It was awesome. There you go. All the parts in one place, working one piece at a time. There's the gas tank. Gas tank had some imperfections. It got dumped once. So sadly, I did have to strip that original paint off of it. Had to do a little bit of Bondo work. That was the first time I ever did any kind of Bondo work. And to tell you what,
It came out pretty good. I'm pretty satisfied with it. Came out great. Again, primed it up. This is all rattle can, guys. If you take your time, you can do a great job with it. Start throwing on some color. We silver base coated this as well. And then there you go. Started to shine. I was getting real excited at this point. Got the clear on it, and that thing just popped. It was beautiful. Went through everything. Everything was pretty rough. But man, when you put some time into it, some elbow grease, you can make those things shine. Absolutely loved the results from that. All those parts laid out one piece at a time, guys. Went through all the carburetors, tore all of that stuff apart. The wheels were a big part. I invested a big chunk of money in those, but man, they came out absolutely beautiful. There it is without the fenders. I love the way they look without the fenders. It all started going back together really, really, really quick. And then found this photo of myself from, I think it was 1983, with a gold motorcycle at Paul Bunyan Amusement Park in Minnesota. That's the first beauty shot. And there I am. There I am with the CB350.
There it is, the 1970 CB350. Pretty much done in my book, man. Now it's all about just riding and having a good time. Wouldn't be right if I didn't start it up for you.
All right, key on. Switch on.
She's a beaut. And that's that, man. I mean, this has been a really motivating video for me to make today because I'm kind of hit that part in the motorcycle rebuild that now it's just time. It's going to be polishing parts, cleaning things up, getting things all on the up and up. Because I tell you what, once you get to that point, it goes together really, really fast. So a little bit of hope. Hope you guys like what I did with the 1970 CB350. And you know what? I hope we can get that 1972 CL kind of in the same spot. That is the ultimate goal. So hope you guys are enjoying these videos. A little bit different video today. That's okay. If you like them, please subscribe. It means a lot. I've been really enjoying the comments you guys are all leaving. I'm learning a lot, and hopefully you're learning a little bit too, because my mistakes and my experiments can maybe help you get yours back on the road as well. Got to look at that. Oh, love that candy gold. Also follow along Instagram and Twitter at BV Matson. Have a great day, guys, and see you in the next video.